Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I don't have hair right now because this is a hair review and we're gonna be putting it on. Alright, so I got this hair from OMG Queen. I just literally washed it. I literally had this hair for about, I'm gonna say it's gonna be a month soon. It does shed. And I don't know it's because I don't take care of it because, you know, it is curly hair. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the hair and I'm going to show you guys how I install it. So yeah, so I got this wig from OMG Queen. This is the Wild Thoughts Rihanna inspired wig. And it comes with 3 combs on the inside. It comes with adjustable straps at the bottom. And yeah, it's a lace front wig. So which means that you can style it any way you want in the front. It has like a lace in the back too. So, okay, never mind. I was going to say if you wanted to put it up in a bun you can, but it doesn't look like it's possible unless I cut it too short. Anyways, we don't know. Maybe figure that out. I'm so bad at this. I don't know why I chose to do this with my life. Yeah, so right now I have these doo-doo braids and my hair is very short at the moment. Try to, you know, protect your hair under your wig. You do not want to take this wig off and have your hair fall out. Okay, so yeah, I already talked about the wig. The wig was $120 some, like $123 or something like that. It came in like the same week that I ordered it. You can pick your cat size and all that good stuff on there. I'm just gonna put the link down below so you guys can just do it yourself, because just go get it. If you want it, get it. If you don't, I don't know. I'm so bad at this. Bear with me. So this is the wig. This is how it looks like. So again, I just washed it. So the curls are really tight. You can comb out the curls, but I really do love them. I love them like this. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I install it. So let's get started without further or fucking ado. These are $1 at your local beauty supply store. So you want to put it like kind of like this, right? What you want to do is spray around the perimeter of your edges. What I like to do prior to though is lay my edges under that, so that way it's like a easy, like I can tell what my hairline would look like. So I wish like I had somebody to just film me and like tell me what to say, because this is so hard. Sorry, my glue is disgusting because yeah, I use it every day, and yeah, people who's probably watching this like, I use my glue every day too, my shit don't look like that. Shut up if you are saying that. I take my Girl-less Not glue and just sort of lay my edges in the front. Okay, so I just laid my edges, and I'm just gonna put the cap back. So once you lay your edges, you can kind of see where to spray. So I take my Got to Be Glued, Got to Be, oh, Got to Be Glued. It gotta be glued. That's smart. I don't know. Ooh, got my ear. I hate this so much. I know, but it seems that it never gets to stick right here. If you guys have any tips or tricks for that, please comment down below, because I kind of hate that. Unless I go like this, but then I can't see to make the video. I look stupid, so I guess I'm gonna make the video like this. So you want to wait till this dries. You can choose to. Okay, I cannot even function. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go blow dry it till it's completely like sticky, and yeah, wait for the next steps. I'm winking if you couldn't see that. But yeah, okay, I'm back. So I think it's stick proof, and basically what you want to do is get scissors and kind of cut around your hairline perimeter. It is somewhat fit to my hairline, but you get the point. So once you're done cutting it off, the next steps will be to actually apply the wig and lay your edges. By your edges, I mean the wig's edges, but you paid for it, so it's your edges too, like the glue for the front part, because I really want it to stick. Like, I don't want no yeah, I don't want you to see my shit. Like, it's my hat, I need it to be I need my hat to stay on. And yeah, so I usually put like a little bit of glue right here, like in the front area, and then just like a calm little thing right here, and I spray the rest right here, like so. And what you want to do is you want to wait till it's like, and then I do like the middle, and then you want to wait till it's like a little tacky. Is it tacky or yucky? Like, you know, that. What is that? When it's like a gooey. You want to wait till it's like gooey, like sticky. I wasn't even recording, so I don't know if I was recording the whole time. But fuck it, I have the wig on and I'm about to make my edges. The rat tooth, yeah, whatever. Is it rat tooth comb? Oh, it's a rat tail comb. This ain't even, I guess. The wig is laid. There you go. And this is what it looks like when it's laid. Come closer. Yeah, I know, right? So, guys, I have it on. And basically I style it. I have many styles that I do, so I like, you can even like because it is a lace front, you can even take some up and just put it down like this. This is a cute style. I'm not about to do all the styles. I feel like I wanted to, but I just feel like now I got the wig on, I just want to do the video. So you know what styles to do with your hair. It's literally like your regular hair at this point, except the fact that right here is not lace, so you want to be careful and try to put some more hair in the back, because the tracks do show a little bit, so it is like you have a full-blown frontal and sewing basically. If you guys like to see more hair reviews or any thing like that, just comment, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, stay tuned for my next video.